Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Invisiclean Air Purifier Filter is probably one of the most essential components for maintaining the optimal performance and longevity of your Invisiclean air purification system, ensuring that the air you breathe remains consistently clean and free from allergens, dust, and other airborne pollutants that can impact your health and well-being. Number 5. Invisiclean Aura 2 Air Purifier. Introducing the Invisiclean Aura 2, designed to significantly improve your home's air quality. It's perfect for tackling allergies and pet-related odors. This device features a powerful 4-in-1 filtration system. It includes an H13 True HEPA filter, ionizer, carbon filter, and UV light for comprehensive purification. Don't let the compact size fool you. It's highly effective in large rooms and bedrooms, ensuring clean air throughout your living space. Say goodbye to unpleasant smells. This air purifier is specifically engineered to eliminate odors, leaving your home smelling fresh. Its portable design allows you to easily move it where you need it most. Enjoy cleaner air in any room with this convenient solution. Experience the difference with the Invisiclean Aura 2. It's your ultimate solution for a healthier and fresher home environment. What we like. This unit offers comprehensive air purification with its 4-in-1 filter system, including UV light for sterilization. If you're looking for a powerful all-around solution for a large room, especially if you have concerns about airborne viruses and bacteria, this is a great choice. It tackles a wide range of pollutants effectively. What people say. The Invisiclean Air Purifier Filter is designed to capture 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns, including dust, pollen, pet dander, and smoke. This filter features an activated carbon layer that effectively removes odors from cooking, pets, and smoke, ensuring a fresher-smelling home. The filter is easy to install and replace, with a simple twist and lock mechanism that requires no tools. Number 4. Invisiclean Claro IC 4524 Air Purifier. Introducing the Invisiclean Claro, designed to powerfully purify the air in large rooms. It's perfect for your bedroom or any area in your home up to 1,600 square feet. Enjoy cleaner air without harmful byproducts. This device operates with zero ozone, ensuring a safe breathing environment for you and your family. Equipped with UV light and an H13 medical-grade True HEPA filter, it captures even the smallest particles. This advanced system tackles smoke, dust, and allergens effectively. Say goodbye to sneezing and itchy eyes. It's specifically designed to remove pet hair, dust, and other allergens from your air, providing much-needed relief. Experience the difference with the Invisiclean Claro Air Cleaner. It's the smart choice for maintaining a healthy and fresh atmosphere in your home. What we like. With its medical-grade H13 True HEPA filter and zero ozone emissions, this air purifier prioritizes safe and effective air cleaning. If you are particularly sensitive to ozone or have respiratory issues, and need to purify a very large space, over 1,600 square feet, this is the ideal option for ensuring clean air without harmful byproducts. What people say. The Invisiclean Air Purifier Filter is designed to effectively capture fine dust and allergens, improving indoor air quality. This filter features a multi-layer filtration system that includes activated carbon to remove odors and VOCs, ensuring a fresher environment. The durable construction of the Invisiclean filter ensures long-lasting performance and consistent air purification. Number 3. PUREBURG Replacement Filter for Invisiclean Aura Series. Breathe easier with our premium replacement filters. Designed for your Invisiclean Aura air purifier, they ensure cleaner air for your home. Experience superior air purification with our 4-stage filtration system. It effectively captures dust, allergens, and odors for a healthier environment. Our H13 True HEPA filter captures 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns. This includes fine dust, pet dander, and other microscopic irritants. Enjoy a fresher home with the activated carbon layer. It effectively reduces common household odors, VOCs, and smoke, leaving your air smelling clean. Regular cleaning and replacement of your filter ensures optimal performance and extends the life of your air purifier. Keep your machine running at its best. We are committed to top-notch quality. Each filter undergoes rigorous testing to guarantee maximum customer satisfaction and reliable performance. What we like. This is a value-packed 2-pack of replacement filters, featuring a 4-stage filtration system including H13 HEPA and activated carbon. If you already own compatible Invisiclean models like the Aura 2 or Sensa and want to ensure you always have a fresh filter on hand at a great price, this is the perfect solution for maintaining optimal air quality. What people say. It is a good replacement filter for the Invisiclean Air Purifier. This filter is a perfect fit for the Invisiclean Air Purifier. Number 2. Invisiclean Aura IC 5018 and Sensa IC 5120 replacement filter. Keep your air pure with our genuine replacement filter. It's designed to perfectly fit your Invisiclean Aura and Sensa air purifiers. This filter captures 99.985% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns. Breathe easier knowing dust, pet dander, and odors are effectively removed. It features a true HEPA filter, activated charcoal, and a pre-filter. This combination ensures comprehensive air cleaning for your home. Remember to clean or replace the pre-filter monthly for optimal performance. This helps extend the life of your main filter. Enjoy fresh air for 6 to 12 months before needing a replacement. Usage and environment will affect its lifespan. After replacing the filter, simply press and hold the power filter reset button for 5 seconds. This will clear the indicator light. What we like. As a genuine replacement filter, this option guarantees compatibility and performance for your Invisiclean Aura and Sensa units. If you're looking for a reliable way to reduce dust, pet dander, and common household odors with high efficiency, choosing the official replacement ensures your air purifier operates at its best. What people say. These Invisiclean filters are an absolutely must-have for me. They work very well. They are easy to replace in my air filter. I cannot believe what they pull out of the air even in a closed-up house. They make a big difference in air quality inside. The purifier is top quality and the multi-filter system gives me peace of mind for my little one. Number 1. Invisiclean Claro True HEPA Replacement Filter. Keep your air pure with this genuine replacement filter. It's designed specifically for your Invisiclean Claro air purifier. Experience superior air quality. This filter captures 99.989% of tiny particles, exceeding the true HEPA standard. Breathe easier as it effectively reduces dust, pet dander, and unpleasant odors. It tackles particles as small as 0.1 microns. This set includes both a true HEPA filter and an activated charcoal pre-filter. Remember to clean or replace the pre-filter monthly for optimal performance. For best results, replace the filter every 6 to 12 months. Resetting the indicator light is simple. Just press the filter reset button for 5 seconds while the unit is on. What we like. This genuine filter for the Invisiclean Claro model not only meets but exceeds the true HEPA standard, capturing particles down to 0.1 microns. If you are looking for the utmost in air purification for fine dust, allergens, and other microscopic particles in your large room, this filter provides superior performance and peace of mind. What people say. The air purifier is very quiet and works great. It is easy to set up and the air quality has improved significantly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.